What is up, my people? And today we are doing a video of what is inside this backpack. So I'm gonna set the camera down. Okay. Alright, you ready to see what's inside the bag? First thing. Second thing. Third thing. Fourth thing. Fifth thing. Sixth thing. Seventh thing. An eighth thing. The screwdriver does that. This station right here. I have to find the little. Oh well, I know I got it. I cannot reset this because I looked. Oh wait, hold up. I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. I got the thing. Which is, oh crap. Find it again. Which is the tool that resets this. This is the inside of it. It has this little button here that you push to reset it. And now we are going to pull it. There's that one. Now we're going to demonstrate these two. These two are the same, so I'm only going to pull one. This one has paint on the back of it. I'm going to pull the one with the paint on the back of it. And this one's the exact same. And then we have this one that takes Allen wrench. This one's the same, so I'm not gonna pull it. Alright, we got this one open. And it has these things that you can turn with focus. The flathead screwdriver. And now we're gonna demonstrate this pull station right here. This is personally my favorite one right here. See it? This one. This. The flathead. Focus. Focus. The flathead screwdriver hole right there. Jesus, having a hard time focusing. I'm gonna pull this one. No, there, now it's pulled. Now we're gonna open it up to reset it. Now you flip this toggle switch down right here. You close this, and then you close the pull station. Now I'm going to pull all of them. Oh, and I forgot to show you the horn strobe right here. I will wire this up sometime, but I don't know how to because I'm a noob at fire alarm wiring up. But I do know how to wire up elevator parts. And here we have an old smoke detector. Oh, hey, little birdies. A smoke detector. Made by System Sensor. Focus! And there's the birdies up there. There's the nests up there. There's that bird. And that is it.